Hi everyone! If you are looking for New Year's makeup ideas, I think this video will be interesting for you. I use baby wipes to cleansing my face. Then I use my favorite moisturizer from Philosophy. During this step, I always do a massage. I use Becca Under Eye Corrector. I warm this product on my hand and use only fingers. It is better for the result. Trust me. I use this color like color correcting. If you have blue area under the eye, you are more than welcome to use this color. And please pay attention to my moves, like clip, clip, clip. And you can see after and before. Next step is foundation. I use MAC Studio Fix and mix it with mixer from NYX in order to get the right skin tone. I am using MakeUpForEver Brush to put foundation all over the face. This is my favorite product from NARS. It is creamy concealer. I cover blemishes. I use my hand, but you can use a fine brush or Q-tip. Is much more accurate than a finger. And color of this product should match your foundation. Now I use the same brush to blend everything, but again, please pay attention to my moves. I use Laura Mercier concealer. It should be one shade paler than your foundation. It gives freshness, it's like highlighting. And again, you can see me before and after. Now it is powder time. If you want your foundation stay in place all day, use powder. I'm obsessed with Laura Mercier powder. It is perfect product, very thin and you cannot see or feel it on your face. Now it's time to play with shadows on my face. Contouring should be subtle and undetectable. This is my favorite makeup technique. It will give you the best eye lift ever and will take years off. I took small brush and contouring my eyes in order to carve out the desired shape before applying the eyeshadow. It gives a soft outline within which we then apply the eyeshadow. It gives you the most lift and wing out when you are contouring your top eye. You finished by joining to the under eye contour. I use the same brush and enlarge the eyes by using this color. I move a little above than the first color. And I use clean blending brush to blend everything well. I put black pencil between each eyelashes to create line as thin as you can. Try to do it without gaps. Create line out the eye corner. Create eyeliner. If you are good at blending eyeliner, you can do it right away. If not, first blend pencil. Using eyeliner, I duplicate pencil and blend it. Then I use black eyeshadow and small blending brush. I create a thin line in inner the corner of the eye. I use prolonged wear creamy eyeshadow. You can use your hand or flat brush. Put it all over the eyelid except zone where you put it eyeliner. I love to use this product like stand-alone product and put it on top of any other texture or color. Clean on the eye area now it's time brow time. I always use shade lighter than color of your hair roots. The wider the eyeliner is, the more eyelashes you need. I use bronzer from Hourglass palette and I put it a little above the contouring. I use blush from Old MAC's collection to add some color to my face. I curl my eyelashes to lift them up and combine with my natural eyelashes. And please again, pay attention to my moves. I am in love with this mascara. I tested in waterpool, I cried, I swam in the ocean, and it stayed in place. I used 2 shades of lip pencils in order to increase my lips and put lipstick from NYX on the center of my lips. You can put finishing spray when you finish your makeup. I don't do it because I stay at home. And this is the result. What do you think? Do you like it or not? Give me your feedback. Maybe do you find something helpful from me? Let me know, please. And tell me, would you do this makeup for New Year's party? And thank you for your time, for your attention, and see you soon. Bye bye.